right, guys, I think we got it. I think we got it all freed up and going. Yeah. And if you want to mess with your typewriter, you can just kind of put a screwdriver on the button and set it off to the side. And that'll let you type with the naked F. And this thing is fun. Love these machines. Yeah, I think even the alignment is good on it. Yeah. Very, very good. Even the alignment is still good on it. So it was just the matter of getting the old WD-40 out of there. And then in a couple days, I'll probably go back and I don't do a final flush out until we get all the bugs and kinks out of it. So this is just the preliminary inspection of this machine. We got this part cleaned up, and then we'll go over it with mineral spirits in all of the appropriate areas and blow out all this crud. Because like I said, normally you can ultrasonic a machine or fully submerge clean it, just go crazy with the simple green and then hose it all off and go from there. But with the electric machines, you have to kind of methodically clean and blow out as you go. But at least this way it's all exposed. So guys, we'll call that a success. It's always good to hear the tippity-tappities of the hard work. All right, guys, stay tuned. We'll keep you updated with more stuff.